viewer, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic online education pros and cons. Introduction. Online education offers flexibility, accessibility, and cost effectiveness. However, it can lack face to face interaction and may require self motivation and time management skills. Advantages of online education: flexibility to study at your own pace and schedule, access to a wider range of courses and programs, lower cost compared to traditional education options. Disadvantages of online education: lack of face to face interaction with instructor and peers. Poor time management skills can lead to procrastination. Technical issues such as internet connectivity problems can disrupt learning. Longer wait times for feedback compared to in person learning. Increased potential for cheating during online assessments. Absence of hands on mentoring and guidance. Conclusion: online education provides flexibility and convenience but lack face to face interaction and may require self discipline and motivation. Weigh the pros and cons to determine if it is the right choice for you. Thank you for considering the advantages and disadvantages of online learning with me today. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.